Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image a long time ago. Well, 35mm reversal film at the town of the Ryukyu, that's Cultural Center Street, and looks like old Okinawan scenery or something. Well, this is my subject today, and I have pencil drawing type image like so. By Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, I want to try something interesting image from this image. Today's subject, well, I'm thinking about coloring. Just imagine colors, any colors I think of. Well, this is subject, and let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start from duplicate this base image. Let's see, maybe I'm gonna colorize just whatever I think. Yeah, duplicate this layer and take the colors out from this. Hue saturation, just desaturated the image all the way down. Then lighten up just a touch more. What's gonna happen if I colorize this? A little bit warm tone, black and white maybe. Base image, base color, maybe that's interesting. Well, yeah, let me try this way then. Okay, let's see with this. Now I have, okay, I'm gonna merge down. Then I got this black and white image from this to this. Let's see, turn it off, this color image, and then well, move this empty layer over this black and white image. Then change blend mode to color. Now I'm gonna add colors on this layer. Blend mode color. Okay, go for, well, nice blue sky maybe. Okay, let's see. Okay, brush texture, no texture, just soft round opacity. I'm gonna make something, well, nice blue sky, real nice weather and Okinawan weather. pretty much interesting colors on the shadow side. So many colors, some brownish, reddish brown, and dark greens. Some part has yellowish color from sunlight. So much details of the light. So interesting. Now painted, and I need to smudge some with the dry media too. Well, graphite. Let's see. Okay, now green area and overall image. Smudging all blend in some colors. Okay, that's pretty good. Look at this. Some part. Yeah, this area has so much colors in it. Okay, go for a little more emphasize. Pretty good. Let me see, let me compare to this real one. Turn this one out. Well, original is much more colors. But I add this color. Give it more nicer color, adding original. Original has more color, huh? Well. In this case, I'm gonna add more colors, or maybe I can turn it on both. This is interesting. Well, that's kind of nice. Yeah, if I change this, blend more to color burn. That makes more interesting, huh? Okay, just leave it this way, and let's see. I can add some more reddish color on here. Nice to see original colors. Now I'm adding color. Okay, overall add color and light reddish I'm gonna add later. Well, about this, huh? That's interesting. Okay, turn it on, this. Yeah, that's nice. There we see reddish colors. Okay, nice contrast. Now what else? More nicer saturated colors, huh? Okay, almost done for colorize on this image. Okay, from here I'm gonna add some bluer color on shadow side, which is more not real. This is imagination, I think. Alright, now almost done. Let's see. A little bit saturated greens and red. This colorized image, I think. Now I just want to check. I want to see this. Well, let me see. Change this blend mode. Its color. This is normal. Such a dirty image, huh? Look at this. So much details we can see. Well, interesting, vivid color. How about overlay, then turn it off, this black and white image, overlay over this original image. Color goes so much dark, of course. Well, let me see. If I add color over this original image, then turn it on this pencil drawing type image, that's gonna happen something interesting. Change blend mode to color burn, much darker, linear burn. That's pretty interesting. Illustration type image. Well, let's find out something interesting image from here. We can play around with this. Well, today I just add color. This is the color layer. Add color. That's it for today, and I want to think about this color. What am I gonna do with this color layer? Instead of using this monotone image, monotone layer, I just colored. Yeah, let me think about this. Well, maybe making illustration type image, or yeah, that's interesting though. Don't need to take all the colors out and add colors. Well, think about it. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today, and let me see. Turn it off monotone image. What we can do from here? Just emphasize some colors of the original image. This is the original image. Add color, emphasize some, then make it something illustration, or what else we can do. Well, thank you for watching my video, and this time just coloring image. Yeah, I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Add color, change color, then what's next? Well, see you tomorrow, and you guys have a nice day. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and bye now. Ciao. That's fun. Yeah, what's gonna happen?